Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest altcoin movers and shakers that are catching the crypto world's attention right now. We're talking blazing fast blockchains, AI-powered ecosystems, real-world asset platforms, and cutting-edge DeFi innovations. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just curious about the next big thing in crypto, this video will break down the trends, stats, and potential for 2026 and beyond. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Let's start strong with the first emerging altcoin making waves, Monad. Monad is turning heads with its insane speed and efficiency. Imagine handling 10,000 transactions per second, block confirmations in just zero point 0.4 seconds, and finality achieved in zero point 0.8 seconds. That's practically instant. It's tackling Ethereum's biggest pain points with a parallel execution architecture, keeping transactions fast, secure, and fully decentralized, all while drastically lowering fees. As of early January 2026, Monad's token, MON, has been on a tear. In just 24 hours, it surged over 10%, significantly outpacing major players like Bitcoin. Recently, it hit a one-week high of 28 cents, rallying 17% ahead of the weekend. Its ecosystem is thriving, boasting over $5 billion in total value locked TVL in just a few weeks. The Monad Foundation isn't slowing down either. They're planning a massive delegation of 15 to 25 billion MON tokens, that's 15 to 25% of the circulating supply, to validators this year. This strengthens network security and boosts decentralization. On top of that, MON was recently listed with on-chain earning yields and trading rewards totaling 800,000 MON, alongside new margin trading pairs. Monad's ecosystem is already bustling. Over 240 decentralized apps, DApps, are live, daily DEX volumes exceed $100 million, and stablecoin capitalization skyrocketed from $123 million to $453 million in just days. Backed by heavyweights like Paradigm and Dragonfly, Monad is solving real problems: slow confirmations, high gas fees, and network congestion. Analysts see big potential here. Conservative projections suggest MON could climb 0.05 to $0.08, with longer-term forecasts pushing $0.035 to $0.13 by 2030, assuming ecosystem adoption continues. Next up, we have Plume, a real-world asset powerhouse bridging traditional finance with crypto. Plume has been maturing rapidly, recently unlocking 1.25 billion tokens, around 40% of its circulating supply. While such unlocks can create short-term volatility, they also increase liquidity and signal a maturing ecosystem. Another major unlock is coming January 21st, releasing 1.46 billion tokens, valued at around $28 million at current prices. Regulatory strides have been impressive. Plume gained SEC transfer agent status in October 2025, allowing legal management of tokenized securities, a major green light for institutional involvement. They also obtained a commercial license in Abu Dhabi, opening doors for Middle Eastern expansion with a new office in Abu Dhabi. Coinbase listed Plume on their roadmap in December, hinting at a potential future listing. On-chain metrics are impressive. TVL surpassed $600 million with 280,000 plus holders, and RWA's on-chain reached over $35 billion, a 150% increase year-to-date. Their cross-chain bridge, Skylink, spans 18 chains, supporting weekly on-chain activity exceeding 132 million transactions in 2026. Plume's roadmap includes real estate and equity diversification, upgrades like Giga for better throughput, and expanded institutional products. Analysts anticipate user growth multiplying 10 to 25x in the coming months, positioning Plume as a cornerstone of on-chain finance. Now, let's talk Virtual Protocol, a rising star in AI-powered crypto ecosystems. In just a few days, Virtual's token jumped 22% in one day, with weekly gains near 68%, reclaiming the $1 mark after a massive 47% surge. The main catalyst? Their AI marketplace launching mid-January, which allows AI agents to trade, collaborate, and execute tasks autonomously, essentially creating a self-operating economy. Real-world integrations are already live, including BankerBot, completing autonomous transactions with Virtual's Butler agent, and X McQueen's community sale allowing users to invest in physical humanoid robots via virtual tokens. Their ecosystem is expanding quickly. Tokens like Dollar Min and Dollar Savra are up 200-300% in 30 days, and enterprise deals are on the horizon, including $1 million plus raises for AI training and expansions into gaming, DeFi, and social apps. Analysts predict the AI agent economy could reach $50 billion by 2027, with virtual capturing value through fees, burns, and governance. The fourth emerging altcoin is XY, leveraging zero-knowledge rollups. These allow hundreds of transactions to be bundled off-chain, verified cryptographically, and settled back on Ethereum efficiently. XY has been on fire recently. On January 6th, the ZK token was listed on Upbit, Asia's leading exchange with over 10 million users, sparking a one-month high rally. Meanwhile, the project is phasing out older protocols to focus on the next-gen ZK Sync era, improving scalability and security. XY also formed partnerships with Starknet to create trustless bridges, enhancing liquidity concentration, and their privacy-focused approach has earned praise from Delphi Digital. Analysts predict that by late 2026, XY could reach $0.026 to $0.04 with optimistic scenarios up to $0.075. Finally, let's discuss Hyperliquid, a decentralized perpetual futures platform akin to a supercharged DEX for leveraged trading. As of January 2nd, $7.68 billion in open interest sits on the platform, paired with $2.36 billion in daily volume, leaving competitors far behind. Hyperliquid recently merged Atlas, unlocking $300 million in TWAP mechanisms for smoother time-weighted trades. User growth exploded from 300,000 to 1.4 million in 2025, and revenue hit all-time highs. Price volatility is notable. Hyperliquid hit nearly $60 in September 2025, dipped over 55%, then rebounded to $27 with a $9 billion market cap. Analysts forecast $14 to $18 on the low end, up to $72 if alt season kicks in, with averages in the $30 to $48 range. So there you have it. 5 emerging altcoins worth watching in early 2026. Monad is blazing fast. Plume bridges real-world assets. Virtual Protocol is revolutionizing AI-driven economies. XYZK Sync is taking Ethereum scalability to the next level, and Hyperliquid dominates decentralized perpetual futures. While crypto is always volatile, these projects are showing real innovation, adoption, and long-term potential. Keep an eye on token unlocks, TVL growth, ecosystem development, and regulatory milestones. They could be the difference between a short-term spike and a lasting rise. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.